According to the World Health Organization, WHO, about 31% of the world's population has a zinc deficiency. Zinc is an essential trace element because it is needed by every human, plant, and animal to survive. Your body utilizes zinc to create cells, combat infections, and heal wounds. Here are some signs that show you have a zinc deficiency. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more interesting videos. Okay, let's see the number 10 on our list. Number 10. Hair loss. According to the National Institutes of Health, zinc deficiency leads to hair fall. According to some analyses, individuals who suffer from alopecia, an autoimmune disease that drives hair fall, require more zinc. Even though many people have noticed positive results from zinc medications, more research will have to be done to confirm a link between zinc deficiency and hair fall. But generally, unexplained hair loss is a common sign of zinc deficiency. However, over-supplementing zinc also can be just as bad for your hair as too little zinc. It's better to focus on taking adequate zinc from food sources before trying supplements. Number 9. Brain fog. Zinc is influential for neuropsychological performance, and a deficiency has been connected to attention disorders that continue into adulthood. Zinc supplements have been proven to cause improvement in attention and focus. However, for zinc to be appropriately absorbed by your body, you must be sure that you intake all the other nutrients. Research at the University of Toronto indicated that zinc has a crucial role in controlling how neurons communicate. A lack of zinc can lead to foggy thinking and memory issues. Because zinc is so critical to cognitive function, zinc supplementation has also relieved the signs of ADHD. Number 8. Acne. Some analyses have revealed that oral and topical medications that include zinc may assist people in getting rid of acne. Zinc is stated to have anti-inflammatory properties, and then you will see your skin can regulate oil production and the number of acne-causing bacteria in your skin will be reduced. Other things that may lead you to break out include certain foods, birth control, hormones, and makeup and skincare products. Number 7. Weak immune system. Zinc is vital to strengthen the immune system. It is a key factor for T-cell growth and differentiation into the white blood cells that are required to battle off disease, protective functions of the cell membranes, killing dangerous viruses and bacteria by programmed cell death, and gene transcription. Zinc also has a main structural role for many hormone receptors and proteins, which are responsible for balancing mood and maintaining immune function properly. Number 6. Slow wound healing. As zinc is important for your immune health, a deficiency can cause you to be more susceptible to bacterial or viral infections and diseases. Scrapers, cuts, and wounds may take longer time to heal as your body requires zinc to repair tissues. Zinc also supports healthy skin and adequate blood clotting. So, keep in mind that a wound that won't heal can be a sign of zinc deficiency. In fact, zinc supplementation is typically prescribed as a treatment for those who have stubborn wounds. Zinc has also been utilized to treat acne and is one of the most widely studied acne treatments, as we mentioned earlier. Number 5. Weak eyesight. Your eyes, especially the retina, are made of high concentrations of zinc. Zinc has an important role in carrying vitamin A from your liver to your retina to make protective pigments in your eyes. Therefore, it is needed to keep your vision sharp. Number 4. Loss of appetite. Dr. Dana Huns, a senior dietitian at Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center, states a loss of appetite is a telltale symptom of low zinc levels or Zin deficiency. But while medical professionals notice patients with low zinc who report diminished appetite, analyses tend to go in the other direction. This mineral is so closely tied to the appetite that one study proved zinc supplementation successfully increased calorie intake in patients who had anorexia disease. Although more research is needed to be explicitly done in humans to clarify zinc's role, zinc is considered to impact appetite because it influences ghrelin production. This hormone, known as the hunger hormone, increases appetite, stimulates food intake, and promotes fat storage. Number 3. Diarrhea. Unfortunately, you should watch for diarrhea on either side of your zinc intake. Taking too much can lead to this unpleasant symptom, as well as having a deficiency. Diarrhea can also worsen a deficiency in this crucial mineral because it avoids proper absorption. That's also serious because zinc is vital for the immune response to gut problems that could cause loose stool. So, if you know you're deficient in this mineral, even if you're already on a treatment plan, and have been suffering from diarrhea for days, it's time to call your doctor. Number 2. A dulled sense of taste or smell. Older people are particularly prone to this sign. They'll lose their sense of taste and smell if they're not getting adequate zinc. In America, deficiencies may not be too common. Still, it's estimated that around 20 to 25% of adults ages 60 and older don't get enough zinc daily, even after supplements are counted. Number 1. Hypogonadism. Our daily zinc requirements are almost low, but they boost for pregnant women. Zinc is vital for the proper growth of babies and development of babies in the womb, and low zinc can lead to growth retardation. This is particularly pronounced in the reproductive system, where a zinc deficiency can lead to arrested puberty. One instance is Prasad syndrome, which is a disorder caused by both iron and zinc deficiencies. These symptoms include skin changes, anemia, a lack of red blood cells, and hypogonadism, when sex glands make little or no sex hormones, among other symptoms. Although all of these can be symptoms of a zinc deficiency, it's essential to note that not everyone's experience with zinc deficiency will be the same. You could have these signs if your blood zinc levels get too low, or you may not. You may have other signs altogether, as everyone's body reveals signs a little differently. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a wonderful day.